Welcome to my channel, Mahnoor Usman. Buff the nails. Now clean the nail with alcohol or nail remover. Base gel. Apply the base gel on nails. Cure the nail under a lamp for 10 seconds to let it dry. Now shape the polygel in dual form. Shape the nail until you get a perfect size. Now, place this dual form on your original nail. Press a little to fix it. Now again, cure under the lamp for 10 seconds to let the polygel dry. Remove the dual form. Top coat. Now apply top coat on the nail. Again, cure under lamp for 10 seconds to let the top coat dry. Now file the nail according to the shape you want. Final look. So shiny and unbreakable.